Robots have been around for years, but cobots in, maybe the last 5 years or so have really started taking off. A cobot is meant to work in conjunction with people and next to people, so they're very safe. If they bump into the people, they will actually shut off. You have a lot of safety parameters.
It's actually pretty interesting how it actually moves just based on your simple commands of what you input into it.
In a lot of ways, you teach the robot versus program it. The technology has changed over the years, but one thing that hasn't changed is the need for people to be in this industry.
At my job, we use robots mainly to do pick and place. So what it does is grabs a product, scans the barcode, labels that product, and it ships it out to the patient in a timely manner. So these robots are actually like the ground foundations for us to being more automated and ensuring that our patients receive their prescription in a certain amount of time.
Some of the companies are adding robots not as much to replace humans, but they just can't get the staff. So a lot of companies are buying these cobots and they're working right next to people, but they're augmenting the staff because they just can't hire enough people.
This would be a perfect opportunity for me to get promoted. My company is actually supporting me to actually go to school due to the fact that demand for jobs are so high, and this is a perfect way for me to actually escalate into a higher position.
If you love technology and you like hands-on and you want to see product made that's going to benefit the world and help people, like some of the pharmaceutical companies that utilize these things, it's just an exciting industry.